Hello, and welcome to Pitch 1, Four-Dimensional Dashboarding by Bryan Emerson at Washington State University, Summer Session 2016, Management of Innovation. In this presentation, I will go through four different sections: an introduction to the four-dimensional dashboarding idea, an opportunity overview to discuss the need for the innovation. I will define this innovation and its attributes, and last discuss if it's competence destroying or competence enhancing. So the idea is this: we would add four-dimensional dashboarding. So adding an additional dimension of data to an existing 2D or 3D data representation by including the delta between two data points through the use of video rendering. In other words, we would add additional insights to a graph, chart, or other dashboarding method by using motion through delta points. As an example, this series of charts represents 6 months of data for a single data point. In order to show this, you have 6 individual graphs that would have to be presented one at a time or in a series. Using a fourth dimension through motion available on smart devices and newer technologies, you're able to show an additional dimension of data without having a series of graphs. In this example, the height of the pie slice could represent a fourth dimension of data. In the alternative, we could also be moving the size of the slice in and out depending on what period of time is being represented as the outer gray arrows turn. Why add a dimension to dashboards? First off, the proliferation of data. Data is growing at 100% every 2 years, and we need quick and meaningful ways to display the data for all industries. Next, the mobile explosion. Everybody has the device necessary to show a video rendering of information in their pocket. Why not use it? Last, the value of being agile. We can make quick decisions on the road, during meetings, and get to information much faster. Properly displaying this in a meaningful format will help companies become more agile. This slide represents what a graph of this nature would look like on a cell phone. Note that all the data is presented over the fold. If this was a series of charts, we would have to be scrolling up and down through the phone to see comparatively where each individual graph would lie. In this, you could also look at the delta points much easier, seeing what things look like from one quarter to the next or from 1 year to the next. What type of innovation is this? Well, it's a product innovation. It's built to improve software and applications. It is a component innovation that can be used to augment current software and data-driven dashboards. It is an incremental innovation, as prior charts are still valuable for some data types, and the new innovation relies in part on the old methods. Last, this is a sustaining innovation, as the technology would enhance similar data structures and output. This question I had to really think about. In terms of competence enhancement and destruction, in one way, this is a competence enhancing when used in a system or a platform, as this innovation would build on prior charting methods. But as far as an individual element, this could be competence destroying, rendering series of individual charts less meaningful, if meaningful at all, when juxtaposed to this solution. This is a list of the sources that I used for this project. Thank you for listening.